Hello friends! Today I would like to share an idea on how to do a simple heater for a doghouse. My dog is already 14 years old this winter and there were some pretty bad weather conditions. The frost was dropping to a temperature of minus 25 degrees. As you have already understood, for the manufacture of a mini booth heater will be required old case from the power supply unit, socket, cooler for 12 volts. I bought this cooler on the marketplace. And this socket, it's connected in parallel with the light bulb. I used a 100-watt light bulb because that 50 was not enough. And he definitely used ceramic the cartridge because plastic can melt down. At first, when I was collecting the design, the cooler connected to the unit, the power supply is 12 volts, but it is quite strong. He was making noise, the dog was afraid. Therefore, it was decided to find a charger smaller volts. This is a 9-volt charger and a cooler it's pretty much quieter and slower. You will also need a power cable that you have. There's a meter, 1.5, 2, depending on how much you need to. I also use a Wi-Fi outlet where I set the timers. An attachment. And accordingly, I have the light bulb is on not all night. It will work for about 40 minutes and 10 minutes of respite. Now I'll show you how it works. Initially, the option was this. Initially, the light bulb heats up, the cooler it dissipates heat. But even if we closing the case, here we get a pretty bright light. But even such a doggy. I was a little afraid of the light, so it was decision order. A ceramic lamp here. That kind of guy. I ordered it at first for 50 watts, but for 50. But she turned out to be quite weak. And in the frost, when it was minus 22, there was something in the booth, minus 12. I have now ordered a light bulb for 100 use ceramic. It turns out that she doesn't glow, it warms you up. Well, the fan dissipates the heat. Now I'll put it all together and show it already. How it all works in the booth. I also forgot to mention that this light bulb there is a feature. It depends on how her to put. If you put it up, there will be one temperature. If her put it down, there will be another one temperature. In general, it is clear and understandable. That eat as you like, up or down. Put it down, so put it down. Now I feel like the light bulb went off again. Warm? I don't have a fan yet. It turns when I can turn it on, but I can turn it off. That is enough. Convenient, when doggy, let's say if you're afraid, you can turn it off so that I got used to it for the first time. Also, I'll come up with a grid here later to keep the dog's fur from flying off because the fan will clog up quickly and it will stop working. In general, I feel warm because when I bought exactly the same light bulb for 50 BT, it was barely warm here. That's 100. It warms up pretty well. So let's go to the doggy and let's get started. To the trials, it's freezing outside now and really minus 20 degrees. I hung up a street thermometer in the booth, and for the objectivity of the thermometer readings, I fixed it to the opposite wall from your heater. Now let's see how much it really is. Shows, we're watching, and on it now about minus 1 degree. And for a yard dog, this is more than comfortable. Overall, pretty good the result, because the heater does not work all the time, which means it saves your time. Electricity. By the way, in order not to control the temperature inside the booth, I advise you to connect such a homemade device via the thermostat. But he hasn't come to me yet. I arrived, I'm using the smart timer. Sockets. And yes, as I promised earlier in video, for the safety of my dog I've already fixed the metal cooler. A grid. I hung the heater on the wall. Self-tapping screw, and it can be used without problems. Get it when it gets warmer outside. And the whole DIY was a success and the booth heats it up. The doghouse is insulated Penaplex, but the main thing is to have curtains. Otherwise, you'll be warming the street. Who might like the idea, and I'll give you a like. Who doesn't, you know what to do. Good luck to all.